Right, what's up everyone? Basically, just thought I'd make this quick video. You have to bear with me because I don't really ever make videos. But I'm basically a recovery mechanic, and the other week I was called out to a job for a flat tyre, a guy with his 2 kids, and it was getting late and he needed to get back. Flat tyre was all fine and that, you know, he had a spare. But it was his locking wheel nut had sort of half rounded off. So every time you tried to put any force on it to undo it, it would just slip straight off. And it was basically trying to find a way of really pushing the locking nut in. And we tried all sorts, hammering it with a rubber mallet, putting your foot against it while trying to turn it. Nothing worked. And in the end, I came up with a pretty neat idea, and it worked, and that was a ratchet strap. So basically, I'm just going to do a quick video to demonstrate, because I've had a little look around, and there doesn't seem to be anyone else that's ever really demonstrated or tried this, I don't think. So hopefully it could help someone in a sticky spot at the roadside. Right, so basically, all you need is your ratchet strap, and right, this is my car here, so I'm not going to bother putting anything over the alloys, but when I done the customer's car, I just used a couple of gloves hooked around there for when the hooks were on like that, just to protect his wheels. He had an Audi A4 with 5-spoke alloys. So basically, we had all the other nuts undone apart from the locking nut, and then as soon as I tried this, it worked a treat. So what you want to do basically is you get your locking nut in place, like that, and then get your long bar or wrench, get that in place as well. And now the tricky part is actually getting the strap hooked round. Get it untangled first. So you want to get this, and you basically just want to be hooking it around the wheels. So get this one, and then you want to get it in a good spot. Maybe wrap it around the wheel like that a couple of times. Might help if you've got tricky alloys. Get a big pull, and then actually wrench in place. So with your wrench in place, wrap it around your long bar, wrench, whatever you're using. Wrap it around that. Just once, twice, 3 times, whatever you want. Probably twice will be enough. In, put it all the way through. Make sure it's all in place again. Like I said, this is my car, so I'm not going to bother really putting anything over the alloys to protect it, but I did with the customer's car. I'm scraping up oils. Put it all tight. And you just want to gently start tightening the ratchet until it, you know, it's all pretty good on there tight. Like that, and then that holds your lumbar right in place, and that should give you enough force just to, and the strap should go with it. Should do that. Enough force just to crack it open, see? And then tricky part is just getting it all back off again. Slightly, but that didn't happen on the job, which was lucky, and it'll bend back. It's only a little bit, but that is enough now to have cracked your locking nut loose. See? And that's pretty much what happened on the job. And then when it loosened off, you should have seen the guy's face light up when he knew that he was going to be driving out of there and not going out on the back of a recovery truck. And there's your locking nut out. See? And you're all good to go. Righty, so like I said, hopefully that could help someone in a sticky situation. I know there's other ways of getting locking nuts off, like welding a bolt to them, but if you're at the roadside and you haven't got a welder, then ratchet strap works a charm.